Hey guys, welcome to another episode to What Stanley Said. Today I'm going to show you guys that for your glasses, sometimes there are some oxidation that happens on the frame. And these are just streaks of white on the plastic, and it just looks, whenever you try to clean it, it doesn't come off. I'm going to show you guys how we could try to improve the frames to make them look more new. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this turtle wax headlight lens restorer kit, and we're going to start opening this up. Inside of this package there are actually two contents, two bottles. The first bottle is a spray lubricant, and then the second bottle is a lens clarifying compound. We're going to be focused on using the lens clarifying compound today. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to clean the oxidation on the frame. So as I showed you guys before, some oxidation, it's on the side, top. Just going to clean it. We're going to use the lens clarifying compound. Open this one up, put a little bit on here, that. Rub it a little bit onto your towel. Next, we're just going to take the glasses and rub it onto the surface like that. We're going to have to put some force into it, so keep rubbing it. After rubbing it, it should create a shine on the glasses. Looks good as new. After rubbing my glasses, there's some oxidation that came out, and it's cleaning it out to as if it was new. So this side I have not rubbed it. There's some oxidation. So if I rub this on my glasses, it can come off. But this side I had just put on the clarifying compound, and it has helped it improve. So the last step you would do is just make sure you have your glasses really clean, and then wash it with soap and water so that you could wear it again. So here we have it. We have the glasses all cleaned up after using the microfiber sheet. It's actually pretty used up. You can see some of the residue from cleaning it. Put on our glasses again. Hope you guys like this video. A couple tips that I have is that first, when you rub it, you have to make sure you do it in a very gentle manner. Sometimes there's print on your glasses that you don't want to rub off. Secondly, it might take a little bit more time if your oxidation has been on your glasses for a while. You have to be a little patient and make sure that you slowly, gently rub it, and be generous with the using the compound so that it could do its magic. If you like this video, check out this one right here on the left and this one on the right. Thank you for watching What Stanley Said. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.